The Terms to Know section is a glossary. Enter terms that users may be unfamiliar with in this section. As you create your lessons and you use the term, a dotted line will appear under it. As users hover over the term, the definition of the term will appear next to your cursor. Click the New Term button to add a term. When the Edit Term to Know section appears in a new window, enter the term in the Term field. Enter the definition of the term in the Definition field, then click the Save button. The next 30 seconds is an audio-free demonstration of creating a module with the term peanut butter, which we have just entered in the Terms to Know section, along with publishing this module and entering it as a guest. As you can see, the term peanut butter now is underlined and displays the definition that we have entered in the Terms to Know section when the cursor hovers over it. No extra action was needed in the creation of this slide when writing the term to have the underline appear. Please note that the terms are case sensitive. Enter the term exactly as it appears in the Terms to Know section while creating your module for the underline to appear below the term in your course.